name is Bob Herzog. I'm a former IT director and current sales manager for Matrix Integration. I'd like to personally invite you to a One Southern Indiana Chamber event hosted by Matrix Integration. The event will be held on August 17th at the Chamber office. Come join us for an interactive workshop. We'll be discussing some recent changes in cyber insurance and how that affects cyber security. In a nutshell, you'll understand how cyber insurance companies are no longer taking on all the risk. They'll be transferring that risk to you. As a group, we'll be discussing the timeline and if you have time to wait, or if waiting might have a big effect on your business. Oh, and as a spoiler alert, if you don't think you're at risk, you're probably most at risk. Come to the event. I can't wait to meet you and get to know you.